Nigeria's penultimate court, the Court of Appeal, has commenced the 2023-2024 legal year as key stakeholders pointed out flaws of the Nigerian judiciary while making recommendations that would aid dispensation of justice in the land. The legal year ceremony is an annual ritual that heralds the new legal year, and judiciary experts usually leverage on that opportunity to sharpen the rough edges and tighten the loose ends of Nigeria's legal system. Speaking at the annual gathering, the president of the Court of Appeal, Justice Monica Dongben-Mensem, said a total of 98 panels were saddled with the responsibility of handling over 1,000 petitions. Justice Mensem stressed that they are already playing host to petitions of political primaries from states participating in off-season gubernatorial elections in November. As she noted, they are working assiduously to ensure speedy dispensation of justice.
A total of 98 panels were constituted across the various tribunals tasked with the responsibility to handle 1,209 petitions filed. Among the petitions filed were directed at the Presidential Election Petition Court, 147 were senatorial, 417 were those of the House of Representatives, 557 were associated with the State House of Assembly, 83 focusing on the gubernatorial elections. 28 states participated in the governorship elections, and petitions were filed in 24 states. There will be off-cycle governorship elections in Bayelsa, Imo, and Kogi states, respectively, scheduled for the 11th of November 2023. We have already received a number of pre-election appeals related to the conduct of political primaries, party primaries in these states, and we are working assiduously to ensure that they are promptly disposed of.
The Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi-San, said the current administration is already putting measures in place to ensure an upward review of the remuneration of judicial workers and retirees, while pledging that the government's ultimate aim was to make the judiciary autonomous.
The current administration will review the mechanisms already put in place and rejig the entire process to attain full implementation of the constitutional provisions for financial autonomy and viable increment in the salaries, allowances, and pension obtainable in the judiciary. I want to assure you that actions are afoot as we speak, but details I may not be able to divulge.
Kano Agabi, Nigeria's former Minister of Justice, charged the judiciary to stop imposing FT bail conditions on offenders, as he noted that the principles that govern the grant of bail are the same that back up imposition of fines.
We ought not to burden them with conditions of bail that are not affordable. When a man is on trial these days, bring a director, bring 2 directors, bring a house owner, and all that. The principles which govern the grant of bail are the same principles which govern the imposition of fines once a court has decided to impose a fine in lieu of imprisonment. The law is that that fine must be affordable. It must be within the means of the offender.
The annual event had in attendance the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Olukayede Ariwoola, and other critical stakeholders in the country's judicial system, as lawyers and judges hope for each free legal year, while litigants expect smoother dispensation of justice. In Abuja, Nigeria's capital, Abiodun Mohammed, Top Accolade News.